it's Mike with Fast Track Auto Mall. Today we are checking out a 2018 Santa Fe. She is a rebuilt title. I'll show you where the hit was, where things are at. She's going for $8,500. Market value right now is about $12,500. It's about $4,000 in savings. All in all, well kept. Nice styling. Nice car. Let's take a look at her opened up. Yeah, that guy doesn't go all the way to the end. Yeah. All in all, pretty decent condition. Let me show you this part. Just got a little separation there. Little. You got a clip off. You got another clip off. So the lines here. A little, much smaller on this side. Tires are good for a year. Nice alloy rims. Double mirrors for the side door, for the rear view mirror. Chrome accent for the handle. Auto down for the driver. Power windows. Seats manual, both of them are manual. Rear driver door. Nice design. I like the plastic above the wheel wells. I feel like that keeps the life in the car a bit more, especially in Cleveland. Handle there for the top, manual as well. Let's look here. What do we got? All right. What else do we got? We got a little bit. Not bad. Got power back here. Your locks for the child seats. Let's bring her down. Rear tires about the same. Pull mechanism for the rear seat. The rear seats, you just do a pull. Brings it down nice and flat. There we go. 60/40. Kind of 2-3 tone. Light in the dark with the chrome. Side of the door. Nice. Driver, passenger front door. Passenger front. Rims are nice. Overall. Let's take a look at the window controls. What do we got? One touch auto down for the driver. Look at that. What is that? I guess that's a new one, huh? And rears all the way down, which I like. See, straight shot. You just lift up the handle to raise it. You bring it down. You got your recline. You got lumbar. And then if you want to pull the seat forward, you got the rail right here you grab on. Got a few different modes you can go into for driving. You got a hill assist mode. You shut your traction control off. You can change your driving mode to eco there. So that'll kick in, eco or sport. You raise your illumination. It's at the max right now. Take a look. We got steering wheel controls. Let's see. We got radio. These work, these don't. Let's see, cruise we'd have to check. This goes through the info system. See your range and things of that nature. She has got 116,000 miles on her. For the radio and air conditioning, and a nice one big block. Radio's working good. Media, you can control USB can go through here. You can plug a USB device. You got your aux cord. You got 2 power outlets right there, and so maybe it's a little dark to see. But air conditioning is going nice, real cool. You got your shifter, which goes into drive or electronic stick shift, which can then, see the 1, can go up to 2 and down, bring it back into drive, so that's how you'll know where you're at on things. For the center console, little second tier in there, could use a little cleanup, she'll live. For rear view mirrors, you got a manual light switch as well, so there's a little slider there. But both of those work. Lights. There we go. Ooh, free sunglasses. Safety glasses. Yeah. I like these. All right. Overall, a nice spacious cabin setup. You have a lock here for your glove box as well. Good space in there. Cup holders on the side for the driver. For the rear seats, the pull there will bring it down. Just sit it flat. Good space. What do we got here? A plastic Fiesta. Let's push that button. That's good. Just get the plastic off, you know. Anyways. You got 2 pouches there, one for the driver, one for the passenger, and you got power as well.